Well, thank you so much for having me here. He's right, actually. With fashion shows, generally you associate very serious faces, a lot of attitude. But this time it was with kids, a lot of fun, with attitude. And, my son, he loves these two brands in particular, Diesel and Hamleys. So I guess I can say that it was a dream come true for him at this age. He's only 6 right now. And for me too, I think they're the two brilliant brands. I was here to support my son for two reasons. Either he would just probably dart to the elevator and get out of the fire exit, or the other one was that he might not leave the stage. So either two probabilities with my son, because he loves the limelight and the stage. So it was fun. It was very nice. And yeah, thank you for having me and Ayan. Thank you so much.
Imran, how was it walking the runway with your son?
Oh, it was great. This is my first walk actually for Lakme Fashion Week, and it definitely is going to be one of my best. It will be the best and very special because it's with my son. And yeah, it's again coming back to Hamleys as a brand. Firstly, for my son, if he gets into that store, he wants to buy the whole store. So I was like, Dad doesn't have so much money just yet. So that was one of the reasons he came here. And he loves diesel jeans. So whenever we go abroad, we just went to LA right now. We got a bag full of jeans for him and t-shirts. So he was very happy. Oh, these two brands, I love Diesel and Hamleys. So that's why he was here. And for me too. Hamleys is a brand I go back in memory when I went my first trip to London. I went in the store, in Hamleys store, and it was very difficult for me to get out. My parents had to literally drag me out. And 30 years later, I was doing the same thing with my son. So, yeah, it's a proud moment.
इमरान आपके लिए स्टाइलिंग क्या है? How do you generally like to style?
स्टाइल मेरे लिए जो भी आई थिंक कंफर्टेबल होता है उस किस्म के कपड़े पहनता हूँ एंड वेदर के हिसाब से पहनता हूँ आई वुडंट वेयर लाइक अ 3-piece सूट इन 38 degrees and it's if you'd find me jeans and t-shirts generally I'm more of a jeans and t-shirts kind of guy.
इमरान
You
आज
said that your son loves limelight, right? So is he an actor in the making?
He's already decided it. He wants to be an actor. Like I don't impose my ambitions on my son. He can be a doctor. He can be a rocket scientist. He can be whatever he chooses to be. I don't impose my fears or my ambitions on my kid. And he, for some reason, has kind of understood what I do for a living. He didn't understand the concept of shooting. He thought shooting a gun first, and he got even more confused when I took him for my first shooting, where I had a gun in my hand. There was actually an action scene, so he's trying to connect. But yeah, he definitely wants to be. But I don't know if that ambition changes down the line. But at the moment, he's I guess working towards it. He's walking a ramp at the age of 6. My God, the kind of exposure kids have these days.
इमरान आज तैयार होने में ज़्यादा टाइम किसने लगाया? आपने कि आयान?
अयान को कैचिंग हिम, उसको पकड़ के सीट पे बिठा के उसके बालों को करना, वो एक बहुत बड़ा टास्क था. उसमें आई थिंक 1.5 घंटा लग गया हमको. तो उसको कार्टून्स देखने थे, फिर वो किड्स. So we had to come here 4 hours in advance.
इमरान बात की जाए बॉलीवुड की तो
Sorry. I'll just.
Did
Sorry.
you give him any instructions before getting on the runway?
He was giving me instructions. For some reason, he wanted to blow a kiss. I don't know why. He takes hours after his father, I guess.
इमरान बात की जाए बॉलीवुड की तो who admires you as a style icon?
Who admires me or who do I admire? बहुत सारे लोग हैं यार. मैं जैकी श्रॉफ को मानता हूँ कि he's a great style icon. He's extremely stylish in whatever he wears. संजय दत्त एक और हैं जो मैं anything you put them in, they look very stylish in those clothes.
Imran, give us a peekaboo into your current wardrobe. What does it like?
It's pretty basic. Again, lots of t-shirts, lots of jeans, shirts. Suits in the past 5-6 years, I have started wearing them. You wouldn't find me in a suit before that. The only suit I wore was for my marriage. And I was forced at gunpoint to get in that suit. But now I wear more suits. I think it's just me, I guess, evolving with times, maturing. I don't know what it is. But I love watches, so a lot of watches also. Yeah.
So was walking for Hamleys like a saving mission for you, like getting into saving? Because you just said that you don't have so much money because your son wants to buy all So now you're gonna get all the toys free.
You know, as much as you save up, it's not enough for kids. The number of toys he's got, my God! You open the cupboard up and you're assaulted with like 1,000 toys that fall on your head. So I just realized, but yeah, adds to that with their bank balance. अभी सिर्फ बादशाह चालू है फिल्म की शूटिंग हमने एक्चुअली ख़त्म की है कल एंड दैट बी रिलीजिंग अर्ली नेक्स्ट ईयर That's the one we're shooting. So we just got done with it yesterday.
That's it. No more questions, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.